it's recording now.
Hi.
Justin Bieber's laying in the middle of the road. As you can tell. Middle of the road. Where all the cars come.
Yeah, bitch.
And I'm gonna stand right over there. Where it's safe. And there she is. In the middle of the street. And we're gonna be her eyes. I'm gonna point the camera at her.
Yeah, if there's a car, you better come run after and get me. Because I'm precious merchandise, bitch.
Either that or we let the car come and you make it stop.
No, they will not see me!
Stop, don't scare me, because every time you scream, I'm gonna get scared. Stop! Because every time you scream, I'm gonna fucking get nervous.
Where's my sister? Because I'm waiting.
We should make your sister stop. You fucking dumb shit.
It's called suicide. Look, come on.
Okay, go sit back down. Go sit back down.
You pulled me out of there for nothing.
Well, I got scared, okay? Sit down. Come on, sit down.
Are you going to trust me this time? That I'm going to... Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Okay. I don't want to post this on YouTube. My friend getting hit by a car and I'm sitting here like...
Do it. It's a suicide video.
Yeah, suicide video. Okay.
Only because I'm Justin Bieber.
Yeah, Justin.
But she didn't know I cut every night. I sniffed cocaine.
Justin Bieber, come on! Suicide video, let's go, right now.
Where's the car when you need one?
For real, we're like, especially at like whatever time of night it is.
Wait. It's like 11. I don't know. It's a rubber band clock.
Who wants to watch Justin Bieber kill himself? Yeah, Justin Bieber's about to kill himself. Okay. Woo! I think a lot of people are gonna hate this video. I swear.
They should love it. Because
I swear, you're fucking retarded. I swear to God, I'm not gonna sit here and watch you get hit by a fucking car. But no, get out of the street. Oh my God, you're causing a scene. No, you're causing a scene.
okay, if my sister pulled up, she'd be like, pull up right here. Do you know
I don't
that?
care.
My sister would pull up right
I don't care. I don't want you to sit in the middle of the street. That's naughty. For real, get out of the street, you little,
What the hell?
you little turd ass. Yeah, you asswipe. Get out of the fucking street. Ah! Get out of. What?
You want to check my alcohol level?
Get out of the street, you fucking retard. Damn.
Really? He sees me? There.
No, like stay there and just let him go around you.
Nah.
Okay.
You keep winding my ass.
Alright. Now go back out there. Go.
No, there's a car turning.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Okay, don't go out there then. Wait, it is turning.
Oh, that's my sister.
Go. Go, sit down. Here it goes. Casey, you fucking retard. Here comes the car. The car is coming and there's the child. That's not your sister, Nick. Oh, yeah, it is. End of story.